I just recorded most of my thrift haul and I realized that I was not recording. I'm not happy about that. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell thrifted items and items that I find at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I resell them for a profit on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Kidizen, and Tradesy. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing if you're interested in learning about reselling and if you'd like to follow my journey reselling. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. It means so much to me that you are subscribed to my channel and you're coming back to watch my videos. Today I'm going to show you a Savers haul. I went to Savers. I had about 2.5 hours, but when I have a limited amount of time, I usually have specific categories that I go through. So I first go through the bags because I've scored big at that specific Savers in the bags section, and then I hit the shoes, and then because I had a little bit of time left, I went through active wear and sweatshirts. So I'm gonna show you the sweatshirts that I found first. This one already sold. It's a Young, Fabulous, and Broke. It's sold on eBay for $30. I paid about $5 per item. I spent a total of $120. This is the label. It's a medium large size. It's quite oversized, very interesting. Has this dolman sleeves, and it has the snaps here, so you can make the sleeves shorter, 3/4 if you want to. It's very cozy, perfect for this season. Then I found this Disney hoodie, and I got excited when I saw the tag because people say that Disney parks memorabilia or sweatshirts, things like that, they retail for more, so they resell for more. But when I got home, I realized that it was missing some rhinestones. I also thought this was a women's size. It's missing rhinestones here on the hoodie as well. And I thought this was a women's size, but it's actually a children's size. And see, here's the back. Some rhinestones missing here, maybe just one right here. So many things made me a little bit disappointed, but I bought it for $5. I'm thinking maybe I can list it on eBay and do an auction. It's very soft. Maybe somebody can replace the rhinestones or wear it as is. So yeah, we make mistakes, right? I think every reseller does from time to time. This is a new brand to me. It's Momo Maternity. This is just great quality. It's a very nice thick sweatshirt with a hood, and it has this detail here that I thought actually was for breastfeeding, but this zipper, it zips down, but it's not. It's lined, so you can't really access your breast. So it's not for breastfeeding, but it's for ladies who are pregnant. It has these nice pockets here on the side. This is an expensive brand that sells at Nordstrom. It seems like this retail for $88, and I should get $35 for it. And I'm gonna show you some bags. The bags that I found, I was excited about, but I bought them mostly because they were very inexpensive. I think canvas bags, they don't price it up. I think the most that they charge for a canvas bag is $3.99. So I found this nice Fossil shoulder bag. You can see here, it's a wood key, and you see here it says Fossil. It's in very decent shape. It has some, you know, it's a little bit dingy here in the corners, but I think it's in pretty good shape. I think somebody will rock this. It has this nice magnetic closure at the top. I cleaned the inside a little bit. This one is not listed yet, but I'm hoping to get $35 for it. This is my first time buying Bagolini. I found that quite a lot before, but usually they're so dirty, and for some reason Savers marks it up to $9.99. So I found this for one for $4.99 and one for $5.99. And this one is in like new condition, so I decided to pick it up. But when I looked up comps, I was not very impressed. They are going for $25. So I'm not into buying things for $5 and selling it for $25, unless I know it's a very, very, very quick flip. Like if it's Lululemon, I'll buy it. But for this brand that I've never sold before, I've listed one of them. I have another one that I'm gonna show you. And so yeah, I'm trying a brand that I have never tried before just because it's in very good shape. So this is the other one that I bought. Very good shape as well. I think these have never been worn. Buying for $5, expecting $25. When I say expecting to sell for $25, doesn't mean that I'm listing them for $25, because if I list for $25, somebody's gonna come and offer me $15 for it. So I usually list for $39, $35, expecting to get $25 for it. That's my strategy. Then another bag that I bought was this sack. I usually like to sell the sack. It usually goes for $25 to $35, but this one I think it was $3.99. It's a very nice festival boho bag, and it's missing the key fob. Usually the sack has a little key fob that says the sack on it, but it's in very good condition, so I picked it up. This was my favorite find. I love this bag so much. It is so beautiful. It's fossil. I think it's vintage fossil. It has this brown leather trim. This bag seems like so well made. You see the stitching is perfect. Here it has this pocket. It's an organizer travel bag because it has all of this credit card slots, and you can have, you know, different slip pockets. I'm in love with this bag. I listed it already. It's listed for $45. I'm expecting to sell for $35. Then another fossil, it was the fossil day, was this wallet. It's a vintage fossil wallet. It's a bifold wallet here with lots of credit card space, and this is a bills space, and it has a zipper pocket in the back. Pause for my ugly Christmas sweater. This is Quaker Factory. It has angels here, and I'm very in the Christmas spirit, so I decided to wear it to film. The last bag I found was this Kavu, another brand that I have never picked up before. I heard other resellers talking about it, so I decided to pick it up. It was only $1.99, but I was very disappointed with the comps. This is going for $15. I wouldn't have picked it up if I knew I was only get $15 for it. Then I picked up some leggings. I picked up this one that already sold. It's a maternity legging. The brand is Blanky. It's supposed to help support the weight of the belly. It's quite expensive. It feels very nice and thick like Spanx, and it sold for $32 on Mercari. Then I got these atletas because they're already packed. I already put them away, so I'm gonna show you here. Those are skirted athleta leggings. Usually they do well for me. They sell for $25, and these were $3.99, I believe. So even though my cost of goods, overall cost of goods was $5, that's how much it was. So I decided to pick it up because it brings my cost of goods down, and I have good luck with that style of athleta. It was an older style, but it's still. I also picked it up, a new brand to me, this Abs to Be. It had a very thick material. It was high-waisted. It seems like when you wear it, it sucks you in, and it also had a scrunch butt. I don't know if that's a thing, but it seemed very good quality. I think it was $2.99, so I decided to pick it up as well. I also bought these athleta leggings. They are color block striped leggings. They were a size extra small, but they were only $3.99. I also found this Urban Miu Miu wide leg pants. So it didn't have a brand. It only had a material tag. So it was Supima cotton, which is a very nice soft cotton. This felt like a dream. I even thought it was Barefoot Dreams, but it didn't have a tag anywhere. And the RN gave me no any clue of what it was. It just didn't appear on the RN lookup. If you don't know what RN lookup is, when you have the tag, there is an RN, which is a registered number that tells you the name of the company that owns the RN. So I looked it up and it didn't give me any results, but I looked up for the style of the pants and I found some listed on Poshmark. These are very expensive pants. They are $97. I think they're only sold on the website, so it's a small brand. So it might take a while to sell just because it's not a very well-known brand. It's a niche brand, so you have to wait for the right buyer to come along. But these are so soft. If I don't sell them, I'll keep them for myself because you're just amazing. So now I'm going to show you my shoes. I love picking up shoes. Shoes are a great return of investment. The best category are shoes, so I always like to pick up shoes. Some of them are listed already, but most of them are not. So I picked up these Born booties. They are suede, but they have this kind of distressed toe that is very on trend right now. They have the stacked heel. It's just a little bit of lint, and it's a shorter heel, block heel. They are a size 7.5 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and they were in very good shape. This next brand is the first time that I picked it up at the thrift store. I have picked it up at Nordstrom Rack. It's Echo. I have not sold the sandals that I bought at Nordstrom Rack yet, but I've heard other resellers talk about this brand. It seems to be a comfort brand. So I bought these. Were inexpensive, so around $5 I paid for it. It's a nubuck leather, this kind of leather where it's, in my opinion, in between suede and that soft shiny leather. So I picked it up and it's listed now. The next brand is a very good brand and I love the style of these boots. It's a Paul Green pair of boots, which Paul Green is very expensive. These retail for around $300, maybe even more than that, maybe around $400. These are suede and they have this nice strap detail with a buckle. It's a small size. It's a size 6.5. Paul Green has UK sizing, so it's a size 3.5. If you go to their website, I'm gonna put the picture of the size chart here, and it's a 6.5. I love these boots. They were about $5 as well. Then I picked up these Brooks. I love selling Brooks sneakers. I used to hate selling sneakers. I think it's because I never found really sneakers in good condition, but these have a little bit of dirt in the soles. I don't clean up soles really. If you're getting a pair of shoes, you're gonna go and they're gonna get dirty anyway. So I clean the sides of the soles if they're dingy, or the top, but I try not to get shoes that need a lot of cleaning. And one thing that you need to look for when you're buying shoes is the tread. Make sure that the tread is good, because the first pairs of shoes that I bought, I made a mistake of buying because they were good overall, but the tread was almost gone. So make sure that you get good treads, because people are buying sneakers to go running. So yeah, that's my tip there. So from now on, my shoes are not listed. I still have to go through them. I bought these Monroe. They're little ankle booties, nice lace up. And this is a comfort brand as well. It was in very good condition. I just need to wipe down a little bit, but it was $5.49. That's why I bought it. It's a size 7.5. Then I bought another Echo brand shoes. They are a little bit worn here on the toe area, but I can bring them back to life when I clean them up a little bit. They were only $6.99 and they are a size I have to look, but it says here on the sticker that they're size 38, so between an 8 and an 8.5. These are comfort shoes, so I think they will do well. Then I bought a pair of Dansko Mary Janes. These are in good shape. They were only $4.99. And I bought another pair of sneakers. These are Merrell women's. They are in excellent shape, lightly worn. They were $16.99, but I'm used to selling Merrell very quickly for about $35 to $45. I think I can get $50 for these very quickly just because they are in excellent shape. You can see here. I also had a 20% off coupon, so I decided to pick them up even though they were very pricey. It's my second time picking up the same style of boots from the same brand. The other pair I found at the bins, so they were very inexpensive and they were brand new. But these were, how much? These were $5.99. They're mini tonkas, but they have the fringe here, and I feel like this is a very popular style. It's a size 6. It has a few issues. You see it has some stains right here and right here, but I think I can get at least $25 to $35 for them. And this is my last and favorite pair. I've sold shoes from this brand before between $35 and $65. These are Fly London. They're boots, but you see how funky the heel is. I don't know the size. They're European size as well. They were $16.99. Size 39, you can see here. So between 8.5 and 9. But this brand is amazing, and these are in very good shape. You can see here, usually suede has stains, but these don't. I feel like the heels are gonna make it. Hopefully I can get $75 for them or more. I haven't looked up comps yet, so that's what I'm hoping to get for them. That's it for my haul, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and tell me what's your favorite find from all of these nice things that I found. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.